used in this abduction was a black 2015 Toyota Tacoma bearing the following Iowa license plate number. DSV202. The destination of the vehicle is unknown at this time. The child is a male 7 years of age. Repeating, the suspect vehicle used in this abduction was a black 2015 Toyota Tacoma bearing the following Iowa license plate number. DSV202. The destination of the vehicle is unknown at this time. All abductors should be considered dangerous. To report information concerning the abduction of this child, dial 911. Attention media. For complete information regarding this Amber Alert, please visit the amberalert.iowa website.